We're going to repair a shifter on a Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2000 model. This goes for year models earlier and later. This is a repair we would normally not do, but this shifter is not available from the dealer anymore. I've replaced a bunch of these because the pins where the shifter ball pivots inside, they wear down. But since this ain't available, we're going to show you how to make a repair. This pin wears down and the shifter goes under that pin. Causes the shifter to twist and not go in the reverse. Makes a lot of slop in the shifter. You can see the wear on the shifter where that part there went under that pin. To replace the pins, we're going to go with these 6 by 1.0 millimeter bolts. No oversized drilling required. 20 millimeters long. We tapped it out. Didn't have to drill out nothing. Screwed right in. There it is. We put our 6 by 1.0 millimeter threaded bolts with some jam nuts. These bolts are 20 millimeters long. Those are going to let this shifter pivot just like that. That spring drops down. Then that retainer clip. The shifter don't twist no more. It would twist all the way around. It wouldn't go in the reverse. We're gonna install it back in the truck and give it a test. Now, works perfect. Goes in first, goes in reverse. That was a problem before, you couldn't get it in reverse. Well, I just drove it. Goes through all 5 gears perfect. Goes in forward, reverse,